And I'm hunting for it.
What's good, y'all? It's Dag, and I'm back in my bag with another video for you guys. I appreciate you guys for tuning in with us today. In today's video, we are at HOCKiNG State Park, located in Logan, Ohio. Now, this hike was really fun, very scenic, lots of things to look at, lots of things to experience. You guys will see that for yourselves later on in the video. And as always, if you're really trying to support the homie, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any other videos. It's real easy to do, guys. Like, come on. It don't cost much. It actually doesn't cost you anything to hit that like button and subscription button. So make sure y'all do that. But hopefully you guys enjoy. Natural spring water. Y'all see that? Boom. This is kind of crazy. These steps.
Are we gonna make it?
Nope. Didn't make it. Up these stairs we go.